Are you responsible for securing and managing vendors at your workplace? Are you also the one who finds, screens, selects, and manages all of the vendors for your organization? Wouldn't it be great to hand off the vendor-related challenges and projects you have on your plate? Well, you can with Citywide Facility Solutions. At Citywide, we source and screen local businesses with a dedicated team. We take care of the details so you don't have to, like checking references, making sure the contractor is insured, and evaluating each contractor for overall potential and performance. Once we select a contractor for a job, we implement and manage everything for you. Citywide has a professional management approach that provides regular site visits, professional project management, proactive communication, and one point of contact, all to ensure your satisfaction, because you have more important things to be focused on. Citywide Facility Solutions, your local woman-owned small business by the Small Business Administration. Visit gocitywide.com/Portland today to learn more about Citywide Facility Solutions.